Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we will have a look at the new Defender case for the iPhone 7. I've got an iPhone 7, I got that the day it came out. It's still in excellent condition. You can see, I don't know if it'll show up in the camera, the screen protector starting to peel off there, and it hasn't got any major damage or scratches on it. So I've decided to get a Defender case for my iPhone 7 and we'll see how it goes. Let's get it out the box. Before we go and box it, let's have a closer look at the actual packaging. Okay, it's got their iPhone 7, rugged protection, Defender series, and on the back, okay, here we go. Defend your device from drops, dirt and daily adventures. And it's got the same thing there in various languages. Okay, it's got drop protection, dust protection, scratch protection, triple layer protection, screen protection, and a belt clip holder, which I don't think I'll be using, but it's got that there anyway. So let's get it out the box and see how she goes. Here's the little instruction booklet that came with the case, and if we open that up, it's got some basic instructions in there on how to fit the case to your phone. Now I don't think we actually need this to be able to fit the case, so we'll just get rid of that for now. The case also came with this belt clip type thing. I don't think I'll be attaching my phone to my belt, so that's a bit of a waste, to be honest. I don't think there's any need for that. Some people might use it depending on your line of work, but I'm definitely not a fan of this part, and I won't be using it, but it might be good for some people. So again, for me, that'll just go by the wayside. That leaves us with the actual case. Now, before we fit the actual case to the phone, I'm going to take off the screen protector. I'll see how easy it comes off, and then give this phone a really good clean before fitting the case. Okay, that screen protector seems to be on there. That's the screen protector gone. It was starting to lift anyway, so and that's been on there for 12 months, so I suppose it's paid for itself because that screen is still perfect. So what I'll do, I'll give this phone a proper clean now, and then we'll put it inside the Defender case. To start off, we separate the rubber outer from the actual protective cover. So now that's the outer rubber protective case, so we'll put that aside. Now that the case is all snapped back together properly, we'll reinstall the rubber cover, the external rubber skin. There we go. I quite like it. I love the little cutout for the Apple symbol and the camera. and it all still seems to work. Quite happy with this case, and I got this cheap. I only paid $29 delivered on eBay, and these usually cost a fair bit more, and I think it should give me some good protection for my iPhone 7 until I update it to a newer model. Now, I've played with this for a few minutes, and overall I'm very happy with it. Okay, it's a nice solid case. It does make your phone a little bit bigger. All the buttons still work perfectly, and even your fingerprint recognition for your unlock works perfectly. Okay, you can go your volumes up and down, and your lock screen and your unlock, and even your swipes all seem to work perfectly well. So if you've got any questions relating to this case, please leave a comment down below. I reply to all comments, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this or found it useful, and thanks for watching.